In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up QuickBooks Online performance. If your pages are taking too long to load, buttons feel sluggish, or reports hang, these simple housekeeping moves can make a big difference and help you get back to smooth, reliable workflows. First, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. QuickBooks Online is optimized for modern browsers, and updates often include speed boosts and security fixes. Open your browser's settings or help menu, look for About or Update, and apply any pending updates. After updating, fully close and reopen the browser so the changes take effect. Next, clear your browser history. Over time, cached files and cookies accumulate and can slow down complex web apps like QuickBooks. In your browser's privacy or history settings, choose to clear browsing data. Focus on cached images and files, and consider clearing cookies as well if you're comfortable signing back into websites. Select a reasonable time range like the last 7 to 30 days, so you refresh performance without removing everything. When you're done, close and reopen the browser. Now turn off unused browser extensions. Add-ons can quietly consume memory or conflict with page scripts. Open your extensions or add-ons manager, review what's installed, and disable anything you don't actively rely on. If you're unsure about a specific extension, toggle it off temporarily and see whether QuickBooks feels faster. Keep only what you truly need and avoid running multiple extensions that do the same job. Then check your internet speed. QuickBooks Online needs a stable connection, not just a fast one. Run a speed test on a reputable site and look at both download and upload speeds, as well as latency. If you see inconsistent results, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router using a wired Ethernet connection or pausing large downloads and video streams while you work. Consistency often matters more than peak numbers, especially when saving transactions or loading reports. Finally, log out and back in daily. This refreshes your session, helps clear temporary data, and ensures new features or fixes load correctly. Before logging out, close any extra QuickBooks tabs you've opened during the day. After you sign back in, you'll often notice snappier navigation and fewer odd glitches. As an extra nudge, completely quit the browser at the end of your workday, so the next session starts clean. Follow these moves regularly, and QuickBooks Online should feel quicker, steadier, and more responsive every time you sign in.